Hi guys, this is Dhananjay here. I'm the CEO of MOKSH and I'm back on this channel to tell you something about weakness identifier. That's a very unique feature of the MOKSH coaching platform that we have introduced, and it's taking up, all the people are very anxious to know about it, so I thought I'd put a video for this. So what is weakness identification that is being done by us? Okay, the whole technology is artificial intelligence based technology that MOKSH is offering to every student who is trying to understand all the medical examinations and preparing for the licensure exams. Okay, so what does the platform does is, when you give a test, okay, the machine continuously tracks every student's performance. Which topic is weaker in you based on your test is getting stored into the history, and which topic is stronger with you or average with you, that's also getting stored. Now the system automatically throws the questions from the Q bank, which are basically on the high yield basis, again from that topic, and it asks you to solve that. Of course, when you give a wrong answer, you also have an option to check the right answer. You get an explanation note, and the same question may come after some spaced repetition. So what happens is, slowly and steadily you are going to focus only on the weaknesses. The strengths are getting reviewed on a normal basis, but the weaknesses are being removed on a constant basis. So you will get a support of the video to help you understand the concept so that you can solve that question rightly in the next session, next time. You also get automated assignments on your smart calendar, which is there as a part of the system. So the system assigns you to go through that video because you have not been able to perform well. As well as the system also asks you that questions again and again in your next test. So this is what we call as a weakness rectifier. Ultimately what happens is, if as you move forward, you will be able to solve more of those questions which were weaker in your area, and the score starts getting up. So that's what is all about weakness identifier and rectifier system that in our place. Okay, thank you.